Media settings. Here you can make certain tweaks so that when WordPress uploads your media files, such as images and thumbnails, they can be set to be different width and height. And you can also select crop thumbnail to exact dimensions, because normally they are proportional to the upload image size. So let's imagine I want my thumbnail size to be 100 width, 100 pixels in height as well. Then I can make the settings here. And furthermore, large image sizes can be set to be different width and height as well, as maximum width and maximum height. Then we have options for uploading files. Default, as in by default, WordPress will upload, so you can leave that empty if so on your web hosting manager. If you were to select File Manager and browse into the folder where your WordPress site resides in, then browsing into WP-content folder and pressing on Uploads folder, basically this is where your media files are uploaded on your server. But you can customize those settings here if you want. Meaning, let's imagine you wanted to make WordPress by default upload to different folders on your WordPress site. If that's the case, let's create a new folder and let's say my images as an example. But keep in mind, you shouldn't have to do this unless you really want to do this. So now I have a folder called my images. So therefore I can now give the path to that. Okay, in this example it would be this. I'll actually do it manually so that we see. Because that's the path to my server folder location. Home5, RankYa, public_HTML, the folder name, which was my images, would then take this format. But what if I have a subdomain on my web server? Let's say I have a subdomain all happening here, and let's say it goes something like this: my images or images.rankya.com. So therefore then I can give the full URL path to files, uploading files into. But nonetheless, you should not be tweaking these unless you really know why you would want to do that. Furthermore, you can read the WordPress help section to learn more about how to tweak these settings. You can organize, as in select, organize my uploads into month and year based folders. That means if we were to go to public_HTML, press on WP-content, press on uploads, and as you can see, these are yearly based folders that WordPress automatically creates. Furthermore, these are the month basis. So the first month, second month, third month. And you do that by selecting this option. At the end of the day, media settings are to do with your media library, and you can make customizations here as well.